So today we'll be learning how to organize our HTML code. See, this is a HTML file, text.html, but inside this HTML file, we have some HTML code as well as some CSS code. So to organize our code, we can put this CSS code in different file. For that, let's create a new file called text.css. Make sure it ends with .css, and inside here, first we'll cut this CSS code from here and we'll paste it here. Save this file and remove this style block. Save, and now you'll see all the styles of this web page is gone because we have moved the CSS code to a different file. Now to get the style, we need to connect the CSS file with our main HTML file. For doing that, we have a link element which will be inside this head element, because as I have told you, head element contains which does not end up showing on the web page. So here we'll write link and then we'll type a space. After that we'll write REL, stands for relation, means what kind of file you are linking. Here we need to link a CSS file which is cascading style sheet. So we'll write a style sheet, and after that put a space and write href. Href stands for hypertext reference. Here we need to provide the URL of the file which we want to link. In this case, our CSS file is just next to our HTML file. So we'll just write the name of the file, that is text.css, and now save the file. Now you'll get all the styles back. Now we can do this in each of the files. Now let's separate the HTML and CSS file for each of these files. Start with this. Okay, done. One more thing that I would like to tell you is what happens if this text.css is not present in the same folder as text.html. For that, let's create a folder called styles, and inside this, let's put this text.css. Now you will see we have lost all the styles. Now we have now to get all the styles back, we have to update our href. We have to give it the correct location where it is. If it is in any folder, then write the name of the folder, styles, and then put the slash. Slash means go into this folder and then write the name of the file that we have, in this case text.css. Now save this and you'll get your styles back. Now let's do this with all the CSS files. We are doing this because it's a good practice. Keep your CSS file in a different folder than the HTML files. Let's move all the CSS file into this. Perfect.